Most teams, they don't know what they don't know. But most sales teams who role play sales scenarios are far more successful in their roles. But when it comes to sales role play, there are generally about 8 problems with traditional sales training role play, which include, number 1, no safe practice environment. Number 2, inconsistent, unreinforced coaching. Number 3, slow onboarding. 4, skills decay. 5, no objective measurement of behavior. 6, inconsistent sales methodology. 7, longer sales cycles. And 8, limited manager bandwidth to coach. Sound familiar? Well, yeah, these are sales challenges that are very true, but most leaders never actually think about them. But with the AI-powered Sandler Roleplay Coach, this tool solves it. So what are the most common sales and roleplay challenges that you're facing?